Hello traders. Today is 27th of November, Friday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best for trade analysis and the result. Fridays, most of time we have few challenges, but we manage beautiful pips today. So before that, I would like to share with you one of my trader account that's we managing it. So let's see today's performance. So if I go to today, as you can see, today he banked $2,371. And if you look at this is the live account, guys. This is not a demo account, just to let you know. And all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which we broadcast in our online trading platform. All right, so let's back to the analysis and I'll show you which analysis he banked beautiful pips. All right, so just before that, if you need any help in Forex trading, guys, feel free to book one-to-one consultation with me. And by the way, it's free and the meeting link is given below in the video description. All right, so just to recap, these are the intraday analysis alongside with 4-hour analysis with a live audio commentary support. Let me share with you just an example how we do analysis. As you can see, this is the 4-hour, which we keep an eye, and this is the intraday system, which we basically refine our entries and exit. We had such a beautiful short trade today, this afternoon. Based on that, price broken after the breakout retest, and that's the entry. This is the analysis we did, and we have this breakout and this breakout. As you can see, you will see the analysis. So that's what exactly we do. We analyze in 4 hour to define the market sentiment, and then we refine and do intraday analysis in our intraday system. All right, so as you can see on the dollar yen, this was the pretty straightforward breakout short trade. And the pound yen, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the based on the momentum this morning. Beautiful breakout short trade. And pound dollar, pretty straightforward. We were expecting a pullback, and you can see the price nicely after that. When we look at in 4 hour, let me share with you again. In 4 hour, you can see here it at this level when the price developed this bullish bearish engulfing candle, then we take a short trade and bank some profit, and that's for that analysis, by the way. So we bank some profit as soon as the price hit to the previous low. Beautiful short trade on pound dollar, euro pound, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the pattern breakout. Price nicely hit to the profit target. Euro yen, pretty straightforward. As explained to trader, we might going to have a pullback short trade based on the momentum, which we had it, and bank 15 pips at least. And afterwards, as you can see, price developed triple bottom, and afterwards this was the beautiful breakout long trade. As you can see, as soon as the price hit to the resistance level, we announced to bank some profit. Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward. You can see here first priority was pulled back long based on the momentum. And dollar yen, pretty straightforward as explained, beautiful pullback short trade. And Aussie dollar, as mentioned on the analysis, we might going to expect a pullback at this level, which you can see here. Price nicely develop a pullback, which we announced. You look at the bottom, momentum was bullish, and as soon as the price hit to the resistance level, we mentioned to bank some profit on Aussie dollar. Euro USD, pretty straightforward. And you can see there was the beautiful breakout long trade based on the momentum. And dollar Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the triangle pattern breakout short trade. As soon as the price hit to the support level, we announced to bank some profit. Dollar CAD, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the beautiful breakout. After the breakout, we announced another one through live audio commentary pullback short trade. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. As we seen that based on the 4-hour analysis, the price reverse, and we mentioned to look for the pullback short trade. As you can see, the price nicely developed pullback, and as soon as the price hit to the previous low, we announced to bank some profit. Beautiful short trade pullback on pound dollar. Pound Swiss franc, as mentioned, we were watching in 4 hour. Based on the 4 hour, as you can see, price nicely came back and beautiful with this wedge breakout. We announced, look at the bottom, momentum was bearish, and afterwards we have another beautiful pullback. This is the and if you look at, this is the third touch which we explained to trader, that after the breakout, price retest. This is another amazing trade, and that's what happened. Bank such a beautiful profit of most of the traders on pound Swiss franc. Euro pound, pretty straightforward. You can see momentum was bullish. As you can see, exactly as mentioned on the analysis, price nicely developed pullback long, and price nicely hit to the first target. Beautiful long trade on Euro pound. All right, guys, that's it. And if you would like to see all that analysis in real time with the live audio commentary support alongside with all the trade updates, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, we also provide Forex coaching and training through this platform. Even if you are struggling, join our platform and see all that analysis in real time and opportunities to develop your trading skill alongside with professional trader. Or even if you are experienced trader, most welcome. If you would like to bank all that profit and pips alongside with our professional trader, most welcome to join our fast growing trader community. And thank you for watching this video. Have a nice weekend, traders, and I'll see you on Monday with another analysis. All the best.